All right, now my wife is gonna be having our second baby here pretty soon, and something on our to-do list, specifically my to-do list, is we wanna redo our master bedroom. So what we're gonna do here is, right now we've just got our bed here kind of offset on the wall. We've got these two cheap side tables here on either side. And we've got this light hanging in the corner that kind of looks awkward there as well. So our new plan is we're gonna run some wainscoting across the wall. We're gonna paint the whole thing kind of a cool green, and we're gonna hang a sconce on either side that we can use as a reading light or just sort of extra accent. And then we're gonna move this shelf that I made for her birthday last year into that corner with the light, and then we're gonna put a chair there that she can use to rock with the baby if need be. So here is a little sketch I did that sort of is the idea we're thinking. So our bed will still kind of be in the same position. We'll get some new floating side tables here. We'll have the chair here, the shelf up above the wainscoting right below that light, sconce on either side, 3 paintings there, and then this whole wall, including the wainscoting, will get painted one color. Hey, no. There we go. That's roughly our height there. That's like 5 inches low. You gotta swipe it.
Then wipe it, and then you're gonna, right after you wipe it, you'll just paint the whole line as well, and then you'll peel the tape.
I've mapped out where the side tables are gonna go on the wall, and because we're putting paneling here, what's nice is that lets me open this up without needing to repair the drywall, because I'm just gonna put the panels right over it and they'll cover it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run an outlet here that'll fit inside of our floating side table, and then I'm gonna run a wire up to power the sconce light. So before I put the panels up, I'm just gonna mark this out, run all the wire and the outlets and everything, and then I'll put the panels up over that. So my power is going to come from this outlet right here. I'm just going to take this cover plate off. So I've got a stud right here. All right, well, the electrical is run, and I'm not gonna go too far into that because that's just a little too complicated, and it took me a really long time, so it wouldn't be a smooth video anyways. But the electrical's all run, and now I'm ready to start running these panels. 44, 48, 18 3/4, 21. I'm just running an 18 gauge nail gun. This is from Pass Load, it's cordless. This thing's the bomb. Just need to measure all the way across. This is the part where I find out if I got material long enough or not. I don't think I did, but we'll see. Maybe I did. It's gonna be close. Tight against the wall. Right there. 13 foot, 5 and 5/8. Just barely. But all right, now I had to paint my little top rail piece here. I had to paint the bottom side because I only have the top and the side, and I forgot the bottom's gonna overhang. So while that's drying, I'm gonna get my outlet covers on these three. What do you think, buddy?
Whoa.
Whoa. We officially did it. We got the master bedroom all finished. Definitely gives this room way more character. We were laughing about how we had taken pictures the last time we like reorganized it, and it looked like trash compared to this. But it's done now. We succeeded. I feel like I'm gonna sleep better now.
I think so too.
I know I don't usually do like DIY stuff, so sorry about that, I guess, question mark, unless you liked it. But let me know. I'm gonna do a few projects like this while I'm on paternity leave, so you'll be stuck with it for at least a little bit. But yeah, thanks for checking it out, and I'll catch y'all later.